Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RC rock crawlers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Redcat Racing Everest 10 Electric Rock Crawler. The Everest 10 packs a bang for your buck and comes with all those awesome features you have been looking for in an RC crawler. For starters, it features front and rear multi-link suspension, which means that the crawler has an incredible ability to flex more and conform to the angle of any terrain a whole lot better. The Everest 10 also features a front and rear transmission and deadlock tires, making it easy for the crawler to drive over anything as long as there is traction. The shocks included in this RC crawler are aluminum capped and oil filled to increase stability, and the radio system is a 2.4 GHz system. With a system like that, you have no reason to worry about frequency jamming, and you and your friends will be able to run your crawlers at the same time with no problems. Perhaps one of the best things about this RC crawler is that the electronics are waterproof, which means you can play through rain, snow, or puddles, without worrying about damages. The next best thing is that if the inevitable happens and you crash it, spare parts will be easy to find. Moving on at number 4, we have the Traxxas 1/10 scale TRX 4 scale and trail crawler. The Traxxas TRX 4 is one of the best crawlers on the list, and for several good reasons. This RC crawler promises capability, versatility, and all the right features in all the right places. Traxxas is a brand renowned for its quality products, and this creation does not disappoint. One of the key features of this remote control rock crawler is its superb build quality. The shocks are filled, the screws are just right, and the gear mesh exactly how it's supposed to be. The next key feature is the remote locking diffs that offer 2 turning styles. Once you unlock the diffs, the crawler becomes highly maneuverable and can do a 180 in no time. On the other hand, when you lock the diffs, the crawler goes wherever you want it to. It has a better range in front steering. This crawler is not the fastest you will come across, but it has some nice tricks that will make driving so much more fun. For instance, you can do 180s and 270s without tripping over. The most exciting thing about it is that it is a multi-terrain crawler, meaning that it will perform just as well on rocky roads, grass, and mud as it would on smooth pavements. The stock tires give the crawler a perfect balance of grip and a looser hold, making it perform well on both smooth and rocky terrains. At number 3, we have the DEERC Delaware 45, RC Cars Remote Control Car 114 Off-Road Monster Truck, Metal Shell 4WD Dual Motors LED Headlight Rock Crawler. This is one of the most phenomenal rock crawlers on the list because it comes with dual motors that give it powerful torque. A powerful torque makes it easy to control a car, and even easier to maneuver any difficult moves. Apart from that, this rock crawler has 2 rechargeable batteries, which means you can enjoy 90 minutes of driving. Its 2.4 GHz radio frequency makes it possible to use multiple cars continuously in the same area, and with the 2 anti-slip tires, playing on difficult terrains is no problem at all. It also has a shock absorber for conquering uphill. The body structure is strong, the wheels are installed in independent suspension springs, and the car is resistant to bumps and falls. At number 2, we have the Double ERC Cars Remote Control Car. This is an off-road 4-wheel drive RC monster truck that is one of the most reliable in the market. This rock crawler has been designed with the purpose of delivering the best off-road experience you can possibly have. It features front and rear motors that make for a strong and stable drive. Double motors provide a powerful torque that will help you strive for different kinds of terrains without any hustle. The crawler also sports an independent suspension system that prevents damages by controlling vibrations. It comes with a top-quality rechargeable 6 volts battery, a charging time of 2 to 3 hours, and a playtime of about half an hour. The crawler also comes with a 2.4 GHz radio system and has a range of up to 260 feet, which is fairly impressive. The steering wheel is extremely responsive and highly ergonomic, which makes for better handling. If your kids have been asking for a rock crawler, then this is the perfect gift for them, an affordable, yet high-quality model. And finally at number 1, we have the SIMREX A130RC Cars high-speed 20 mph scale RTR remote control brushed monster truck. This SIMREX rock crawler is an impressive truck. It features a 2.4 GHz radio system and is ready to run straight out of the box. One of the best things about this crawler is that it comes with a speed of up to 20 km per hour. The crawler comes with a suspension system and 4-wheel shock absorbers. Note that this model is a 2-wheel drive, which will be good news for all the drift lovers out there. Many customers have reported that the car is quite durable, despite its low price point. However, it is still best to avoid hitting objects when going at top speed, to avoid any potential damages. All spare parts are readily available on Amazon though, so you don't have to worry about replacements. This is a great car for kids and adults alike, and can be used in a variety of settings, whether you want to drive it around the home or test it on the rocks. The rock crawler also comes with a comfortable remote control, ergonomic in design, to enable you to use it with great ease. The only downside to this rock crawler is the control distance which, while decent, is significantly lower than that of other models that we looked at. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.